The AI glasses are not just another piece of technology. The AI glasses are going to change the way that you see reality, the way that you are communicating with people, the way that you conduct business. The AI glasses will allow you to see virtual reality while you are watching reality. As an example, part of our business is education. We are helping employees to use their CRM in a better way so they will be more efficient, more productive. Imagine that you will have glasses that will guide you to do exactly what we are teaching you, which means us as a school, we don't really have too much of a place in the food chain. And in addition, it's making every employee to be the best productive employee in the world as long as they want to use this technology. Let's give you another example. Let's assume that I'm an employee and I'm working right now with 3 screens, which that's a pretty large setting of 3 monitors. Imagine that everything opens and now you have a 360 view, same like Iron Man, that you will have endless screens and you can move them around and you can play with them. This is not future, this is present. It's currently taking place. Imagine that you will be in some kind of a meeting, which I'm going to meetings in other countries all the time. In most of the cases, I don't know what they're talking about. I do know that I can use devices that will listen and will, using my headphones, they will tell me what they're saying and so on. It will be nicer if you just have your glasses and as they're talking, you see a subtitle of exactly what they're saying. It will be nice also that when you are, let's say, in a meeting with a lawyer or accountant or an architect and they're throwing big words and some phrases that you are not accustomed to, you will have some kind of an index that will tell you what they're saying. Imagine that you're taking a client to a business meeting and you will see fine dining restaurants that are matching your client's dietary restrictions while you are walking. So you will see that you have a pointer 5 buildings to the right, and this is where you're going. Those glasses are connected to the internet and obviously connected to AI. Right now, Google released their beautiful AI glasses, and this is currently what we have to work with. But I promise you that Meta and all the other competitors will come up with exactly the same devices that will do exactly the same thing. In addition, right now we work with our phones. Now, if you look at the history of communications, you used to have papers in the 1800s or so. Later on, radio came in, and people consumed content using radio, and then TV, and then phones, which on our phones we have social media, we have YouTube, we have everything that we are used to. The next step of evolution will be glasses. And I do follow it for a long time. I saw the different iterations of virtual reality and how companies try to integrate it. The problem is that over the last 15 years or so, the technology was not there. Also, AI was not available. Now, with AI, those glasses can give you the results that you are looking for as a consumer. In addition, let me give you more examples. Let's say that right now I am watching my CRM, which also, by the way, all the CRM applications are going to change because they won't be a database anymore, they will be a brain. And you can inquire the brain of what you want. As an example, you will have your glasses, you will be in a meeting right now with your COO and your CRO, and you will say, who are our top 10 grossing customers? Everything will be in front of you. You don't need any more to run reports or dashboards. You will have the dashboards in front of you in an endless, infinite screen around you, 360 degrees. This is the type of reality that is currently being worked on, and obviously in the future we should expect big things. One thing that many of our customers are asking me a lot, it's what's next? Are we going to lose our jobs, all of us, and AI will replace us? I think for the future, the near future, for the first few years, I do think that the reality is that people are going to stay in their jobs as long as they know how to operate AI. If I am paying, let's say, $3,000 for someone to create a website for me, right now with AI, I can generate a design in about 5 minutes, and then this AI can take the design and can generate code from it, which means in half a day, you can have this $5,000 project. If you take this $5,000 project today, in the future, it won't cost $5,000 anymore. In the future, people still need someone to click those buttons and make it work, but they will not earn the same fee, or they will be expected to do much more for those $5,000. If you have an employee that will not adapt to AI, this employee will be worth nothing, because this employee will do things in a manual way while someone else will do it in an AI way and will be able to produce 20, 30 times more than this person that's doing it in a manual way. That's what I see in the near future. Bottom line, with everything I just told you, one, you need to adapt to AI, put at least 100 hours learning AI. As you learn it, start to change the way that you are functioning right now and start adapting AI to change the way that you work. Most of my day is supported by AI tools. You can do the same. It's fun, and also it will give you a lot. If you're one of those people that see AI as something that is not good for humanity and it will take jobs and so on, maybe you're right. But it's irrelevant, because people in the past that used to look at electricity as a demon and they didn't use it, they stayed behind. Second of all, think of how your employees and how people around you can benefit from AI. Instead of trying to replace them with AI, try to complement their abilities with AI so they can do more and grow your business, versus people that coming to me and saying, Lior, I need AI to replace my employees. That's, I think, we're not there yet, and I also don't think that this is the way to go about it. I think you do need to have your employees, they need to know and how to function and run AI, and all that will work together. And the last thing, don't be afraid of change. In the past, every few years there was a change. And maybe 30 years ago, every few months there was a change in society. Right now, every week there is a change. So start getting used to the idea that we are in an environment that is constantly changing. You need to be like Bruce Lee, like water. Adapt what's going on around you. Don't be afraid of it. And let progress be part of your day-to-day life.